Hello guys, I just finally got my K2 HE from Keychron from Kickstarter. So let's open this package and let's check what is inside. I remember I ordered some keycaps. Okay, pretty nice. Blue with yellow and black. Are you ready? Here you go. Just check this out. How gorgeous. But how this keyboard is sound?